In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Tag Manager. This powerful tool allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags or snippets of code on your website or mobile app without modifying the code. This makes tracking and measuring essential data a breeze. So let's dive in and set up your Google Tag Manager account. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to tagmanager.google.com. You'll need to log into your Google account if you're not already. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to create a new account. Go ahead and click on the Create Account button to get started. Next, you'll need to fill in some details. Begin with the account name. This is typically your company or project name, and it helps you identify the account at a glance. Enter the name that best represents the entity you are setting up Google Tag Manager for. Once you've filled that in, select your country from the drop-down menu. It's important to choose the correct country, as this can affect certain features and data settings. Now it's time to set up your container. A container is like a bucket that holds all your tags, triggers, and variables. Start by giving your container a name. It's generally recommended to use your website domain as the container name, as this helps in easily recognizing which website or app this container corresponds to. You'll then need to choose your target platform. For most users, this will be web, as you'll likely be tracking data on a website. However, Google Tag Manager also offers options for iOS, Android, and AMP, so choose what fits your needs. With these details filled in, it's time to create your account. Click Create and you'll be prompted to agree to the Google Tag Manager Terms of Service. Once you've reviewed the terms, click to accept and proceed. After your account is created, you'll see your unique GTM container code. This code will come in two parts. The first snippet is a script tag. You'll need to paste this immediately after the opening head tag of every page you wish to track. The second snippet is a no script iframe. Make sure this is pasted immediately after the opening body tag of every page. It's crucial to get this right for your tags to function correctly. With these snippets in place, head back to Google Tag Manager. In the top right corner, you'll see a Submit button. Click it to finalize your setup. You'll be asked to give your version a name, such as Initial Setup, and you can add a description if you like, although this is optional. Finally, click Publish. Your Google Tag Manager is now live and ready to start gathering valuable insights. Congratulations on enabling Google Tag Manager for your website. Now you can easily add and update your tags without having to modify and redeploy your website's code, making your life much simpler. Thanks for joining me today. Happy tagging.